Hi everyone, I can't believe I'm going live with this. I've just got back into the car after going to the gym, having a 1 hour Zumba session, and this is day 3 of the health and wellbeing challenge, and you can see I've completely worked out. So this is my evidence that I'm going to post in the group to let everyone know that I'm still working out, still on track. Just want to share a very quick story with you. I was in the gym and I had my Dominican Republic bag. Let me just hang on here. So I had my mastermind bag from the Dominican. Hi, Nicoletta. You can see that. Can you see that there? Mastermind Dominican Republic, Mastermind Retreats. And I had that hanging on the rail during the Zumba class. And I just kept popping back to have a drink of water. And this woman was completely intrigued. She actually said to me, "So what is a mastermind? What is that all about?" And then obviously I spoke, hi Nicoletta, I spoke in an Australian accent, of course, that raised curiosity and interest. And for the whole gym session, for the whole Zumba session, in the breaks when we got a drink of water, she come up to me and she asked me more. "I want to know more about this mastermind. It sounds really, really positive." Hi, Jill Humphreys. Looking a bit sweaty, a bit hot, but this is real. This is very authentic. I was a bit unsure about whether or not to turn this camera on, but I just thought, you know what, this is the real deal. So as a result of having that bag and I'm going to have to let Kristen and Rich know, because they orchestrate and arrange those gifts while you're in the Dominican or in the Black Retreat, how effective that was. I mean, it's not huge riding, but it was enough to raise the curiosity of this lady in the gym. So then she went about asking what I did, went on to the conversation about having an online business and how powerful that can be. She is retired. She still operates an insurance business from home. She loves it because it's flexible. But she said to me that there must be more out there. So she must be early 60s, and she has this real can-do attitude. She says, "I'm very spiritually inclined," and she just said, "There's got to be more." And I love travel, and I just shared with her, I travel. I was in London, I was in the Dominican Republic for the Black Retreat, just come back from Charlotte, and now I'm here based in America, in this place in Ohio, because everyone says the same thing. Ohio? Seriously? Like, why here? And then I have to outline the benefits of this place, because they don't appreciate, as locals, they really don't appreciate what they have here. And Americans do consider Ohio as a little bit, I don't even know what the words are, but not a place you would live, right? And so I have to explain to them, you're 1 hour from Cleveland Airport, you're 1 hour from Pittsburgh Airport, you're 9 hours from Ireland and from London and from Europe. It's so incredibly cheap to live here. The cost of living is so cheap. You have all the facilities that you need to live. Your energy, your utilities are so incredibly inexpensive. And so she all of a sudden went, and they all do. All the locals go, "Yeah, you're right, actually." So sometimes it takes an outsider to come in and explain to them what you actually have, and to share with them, do you want a lifestyle? You can live here so inexpensively. I mean, an example, to register a motor vehicle here, this vehicle that I've got here, it cost me $34 for 6 months, $68 for 12 months. But because I garage it for 6 months, I only get charged $34 for 6 months to put this car on the road. In Australia, it costs $700 per vehicle to put a car on the road. That's just the third-party insurance, and that is the registration to put it on the road. Just so much more expensive. And so they don't realise what they have here. And so explaining that to them. Hi, Don. Great that you're watching. Yeah, Jill, the merchandise is very powerful, and it does work. And as small as that, well, it's not really small, but she was just very curious. And I think the Australian accent created even more curiosity. And so she's given me her business card, and that's sort of a bit more of an old-fashioned way. I didn't have anything on me because I had my wallet left at home, And I just said, look me up on social media. And I said to her, go to leadyourlifestyle.com. I said it to her about 3 times as we were walking out the gym. Remember, leadyourlifestyle.com. And go and look it up, and you'll link to all my social media and everything. But now I've got a card, it's much easier. I can just make sure that I reach out to her. So just a powerful story that I wanted to share with you. You know, I think firstly, you just never know. So wearing the wake-up gear, wearing the merchandise does help. It raises it. You know, people ask questions. Hi, Claudia. Back from the gym. As you can see by my... what did you say to me? You just got to sweat. Boy, did I sweat an hour of that in the gym, right? You just got to sweat. That's all I was thinking throughout that whole routine in there, Claudia. See, wherever you go, there you are. You are your brand 24/7. That's it. Live it, love it, be it. Yes, Jill. Love that. It's very powerful. So you just got to sweat. Boy, did I sweat in there. I think you can still see it's about half an hour after the actual workout. So I like the sweat, no pain, no gain. That's true. And I feel really good, right? I feel really good. So this morning, all I did early this morning was have the juice. I added a tablespoon of chia seeds. I mucked up my numbers too, Claudia, just to let you know. I'll post it in your group. I was actually well under my numbers, my calorie intake for the day. It was amazing. What did I stuff up? I stuffed up the chia seeds. I put 2 tablespoons instead of 1. Oh, the quinoa. I'm going to share this in your group. The quinoa, I'm thinking this is a huge amount of calories, but it's dried quinoa. So like they're going like the calories were for 320 calories for half a cup of quinoa, but that's dried. So I looked up cooked quinoa. So cooked quinoa is heaps less. So I was well under yesterday, so that's impressive, and I'm back on board with quinoa now. It's my favourite friend. Hi, Mary. Great to see you here. So Sunday morning here, and because we were in the gym, and then they all, because it's a very religious area too where I'm at, and so they're all in there and they have to make sure that they get their workout done before church, and they're all heading off to church now. So it was good. It was really good. It's good when you are in another country and you're doing different stuff and you're mixing with different people. And I love being here in America. I just love it. I love the people. Well done. Cooked it, looks better, right? That's right. I cooked it, but I just counted it wrong because it was telling me half a cup of uncooked. It just said dried. And then I worked it out because then I Googled cooked quinoa and then it became pretty obvious. So anyway, that's my share, everyone. Claudia, I'll post in the group. I'm sort of hanging onto this phone without a selfie stick, but I just thought I'd do this quick live, check in with everyone. Day 3 of my journey, and I'm on track, definitely. I will be, by the end of 90 days, it's going to be incredible. Like, I've had no sugar. It's just been complete health food, good fats, good oils, and really looking at what I'm counting, using MyFitnessPal to record all those calories every day, and just doing awesome. So love you all, and I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Bye.